90% of those in the room said yes, global warming is real. 10% said no, not yet conclusive. I'm the 10%. In terms of the issues, everyone was concerned, identified sea level rising, and then the other ones identified were natural disasters and weather extremes, changes in agricultural systems.
It is entitled as the Philippines Shields all of Southeast Asian country. You see, this is not spaghetti lines, rather these are the global track of tropical storms. And the color ranges from blue up to red. And if you see the Philippines right there in the Pacific Ocean, you can find throughout the globe, the more intense red color there is showing to us that the most intense and the most frequent number of typhoons is happening in the Pacific Ocean is almost end up right there at the Philippines. So typically the Philippines is actually serving as a shield to all the Southeast Asian countries.
Presentation, which have been titled carbon sequestration. Like mentioned, there are many causes like to global warming and eventually the climate change. So carbon sequestration is just one solution. What I've shown here is the pictorial presentation of what really happens. So we have the Earth's surface, so the global, which can be like divided into two parts. There is the atmosphere, then the surface. So we are receiving like the solar energy from the sun. So this one
warming by establishing a special ministry responsible for environmental protection, and also we have a program of tree planting and conserving of the natural forest.
We have started coming up with a strategy for the RED Plus, and we have a committee also in the Parliament to deal with climate change, and an office in the Ministry of Environment.
The government engaged by sign convention, but I don't think they respect and they implement projects that have long-term impact, because we still have a country.
Myanmar?
Myanmar is, we have a new government for democracy, so they are just have been doing some take care of environmental. So, but before that, the military government, they built a lot of factory, but they didn't care. So, but
Okay.
Start from now, so they form a environmental protection committee, and they stop some building dam, very big dam from China to export food to China, and we stop some other factory, and they make some also environmental assessment, reviews the assessment, and they are. But we are just stopping some building, but not initiate some like planting. So we need to do more.
Great, thank you.
We are developing a multi-sectorial plan for mitigation and adaptation. There are many RED programs for forests against deforestation and low carbon agriculture, and with transport also, with a lot of biofuels. So, but it's very in the beginning. Now it's like a diagnostic.
Okay, excellent.